Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's video will be also, by the way, it's your boy, Yamagira. Notice, I got a new chair. Not bad, huh? So, in today's video, we'll be opening up some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Now, they're Yu-Gi-Oh cards, two of the new set they released with. We've got two Brothers of Legend and one Birds of Destiny pack. Let's get into it, shall we? First, we'll start with Brother Legend. We'll do it like a sandwich. We've got Rank Up Magic Argent Chaos Force, Hordes of the Floor Knights, Kribo! Let's go! Deal of Destiny, and Infernoid. Ooh, nice looking card. Not bad. But I got a Kuriboh! I like. That dope bird. Flip Frozen, Sonic Tracker, Food Wanderers, I don't know. Biskeeper. It's a small world. Nope, I'm like finish that. Small world. High Jade Acti. Reptilian Recoil. Gunkin Ship. Oh, Sue Ship. And Beat Trooper Squad. Then next pack, another Brothers of Legend. Brother Legend. Hey, that's Brother Legend pack. Hidden Fane the Revenge. Number 39 Utopia. Nice. Wind Up Arsenal. Wind Up Skin. Kaiju. Gandaria the Mystery Dust Kaiju and Altergeist Bukiri. What card I like in this deck is the number 30 Utopia, which might be new artwork of it. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, maybe and subscribe. Make sure to get that bell icon so you get notified when I upload. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.